Hello, hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am discussing the some important science topic that is source of energy. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಂಕಗಳು 2ರಿಂದ 3 ಅಂಕಗಳು. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂಥ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ತಾವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೀಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನ ತಾವು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪೇ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫೈ ಆಗೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೀಡಿಯೋಗಳು ಲಭ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಾ. ಈಗ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ಆಕಾರಗಳು ಈ ಘಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, what are the qualities of a good source of energy? What are the qualities of good source of energy? Qualities of good source of energy are should be cheap, easily available and easy to handle. It can be transported easily. It should have high calorific values. It should have proper ignition temperature. Hydropower, ಜಲ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ಗಾರ. ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. No environmental pollution is caused. Water is available free of the cost. It is a renewable source of energy. Disadvantages of hydropower: it decreases the fertility of soil and affects river organisms. It leads to ecological imbalance because water is available free of cost. Large agricultural land and human habitation get submerged. Biogas plant setup and working. Biogas is used as domestic fuel to run engines and pumping sets and for generating electricity. Advantages of biogas: it is an excellent clean fuel containing 75% of methane, burns without smoke and does not leave any residue. For the generation of the biogas, a large quantity of bio-waste and sewage is utilized. Biogas is used as a domestic fuel to run engines and pumping sets for generating electricity. Biogas mixture of methane, carbon dioxide, hydrogen and hydrogen sulfide. Slurry mixture of animal dungs and waters. Wind energy. Harnessing process. Solar radiations heat lands and water bodies unevenly, which causes moving air called air. Traditionally, this kinetic energy to wind is to do mechanical works. Limitation of harnessing wind energy. Limitations ಏನಂದರೆ, windmills can be established in the widely windly or hilly area only. The minimum wind speed required for rotating wind turbines is 15 meter per hour, which always is not available. Advantages of wind powered electricity generators are It does not cause any pollutions. It is a renewable source which will never get exhausted. Helps in the converging fossil fuels. Limitations: setting up a wind energy farms need a large areas of land. It is very expensive and needs lot of maintenance. Next to energy sources, solar cooker. Solar cooker used to cook for food materials like rice, dal, and vegetables. Banking and frying is done in the spherical reflector type solar cooker. Advantages of solar cooker: solar cookers uses sun's energy to heat and cooks food. It does not produce smoke or other residue, and so the environment does not get polluted. Disadvantages of solar cooker is it does not work without sunlight, hence on a cloudy days it becomes useless. The place where the days are too short or places with clouds covers around the years have limited utility for a solar cookers. Next one, solar cell. A single solar cell can provide only a small amount of electricity, can be used in the street lights, traffic signals, etc. Solar panel. A solar consists of large number of solar cells arranged in the definite pattern. These are used in artificial satellites and space profiles provides electricity. Advantages of solar energy: it does not cause any pollutions, it is eco-friendly, it is availability pre-cost. Limitations of solar energies: it is not available on cloudy days and during night. Its availability is not uniform in the all place and all time. Tyndall energy. Harnessing principles: gravitational pull between seawater and land causes high and low tide. The energy can be harnessed by the construction of a Tyndall dam. ನೋಡಿ ಟೈಡಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಟೈಡಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಟೈಡಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸೈಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್. Tidal energy is not enough to produce electricity. Wave energy. Harnessing principle: waves are generated by strong blowing winds across the sea. Waves have stored energy in the form of kinetic energy. Ocean thermal energy. Harnessing principle ಏನಂದ್ರೆ surface water of sea is heated by sun, but deeper water is cool. The difference in the temperature is utilized in the obtaining energy. Limitations: the energy potential from sea, it is tidal waves and OT is quite large, but at the present its commercial exposures is difficult. Geothermal energy. Harnessing molten rocks present in the deeper not regions of Earth's crust. These molten rocks are trapped in the hot spots. Sometimes hot water comes out in the form of hot springs. Limitations: there are very few commercial viable sited where the energy can be exploited. Nuclear energy. Energy contained in the nucleus of the atom is called nuclear energy. The energy is released during a nuclear reactions. There are two types of nuclear reactions: nuclear fissions and nuclear fusions. Nuclear fission: an heavy nucleus is bombarded with slow moving neutrons. It splits into two or more smaller nuclei, releasing a large amount of energy. This energy is released because small amount of matters gets converted into the energy. Nuclear fusion reactions: the reactions in which larger, lighter nuclei fuse to form heavy nucleus accompanied by the release of a large amount of energy is called nuclear fusion reactions. Advantages of nuclear energies are: large amount of energy is produced per unit mass. It does not produce smoke. It is a clean energy source. Nuclear power plants can be set up at any place. Limitations are result of nuclear energy. Cost of setting up of nuclear power plants is very high. Availability of fuels for nuclear reactor uranium is very limited. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂಥ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಇವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಗೊಂದಲ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಾನು ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಟು ಆಲ್.